Welcome to CreativeVilla.com, a great place to download do-it-yourself paper model templates. Simply print the templates, score the fold lines, cut the pieces out, and then glue and assemble to create your very own paper model creation. Then paint or decorate as you wish. At CreativeVilla.com, you will find lots of fun paper model templates ranging from beginner to advanced in a variety of categories. New to assembling paper models? Try some of our free downloads in our beginner category, and then when you're ready, move on to the advanced models like the skull or the T-Rex. CreativeVilla.com. Make anything out of paper.